Okay, so before you go to the ramp, this is a good time to get your vest on, get your lanyard hooked up. You don't want to be at the boat ramp undoing everything and getting all dressed and undressed, annoying everybody at the boat ramp. So, putting my vest on, again, these straps, get these off before you get over there. Just like I showed you how to hook them up, I'll hook them the same way. Pretty much all you got to do before you get to the ramp. Now let's go do the ramp. How to unhook. Put that. Unhook the hook. Put the switch that way. God bless everyone that can make those sailor knots. I got something better. $12. Get to here, give it a shove off. Go straight back. You want to come up here? Not going anywhere. Just doing it lightly and gently. And then just wrap it around this thing. And you don't have to worry about knots. All set. All right, you want to hang with it? All right, stability. I'm 180. I'm standing out one side. Go to the back corner. Not tipping over. Nice and stable. We're going to try 3 people on it this time. Stand by. All right, 3 of us are on it. My daughter's driving it. All right back there, Dominic?
Yeah.
Anything you want to say?
I love pizza.
Yeah, me too. Too close though. There is possibly a boat on fire that hit the rocks. I don't know. Maybe not. But it looked like it was on an angle up against the rocks with smoke coming out of it. All right. So anyway, that's generally how I back down and unload the waverunner. I guess I learned you can't call it a jet ski anymore. A jet ski is actually those little tiny things you step in. There's no place to sit down. You're stepping in it, half of it's underwater. You're lifting a handlebar. It's literally like a scooter. You know, these are more like, you know, big touring, like a waverunner is more like your big touring motorcycle with saddlebags, etc. And your jet ski is more like your scooter. So I will going forward, refer to this personal watercraft as it is, which is a wave runner, not a jet ski. Anyway, that's how you unload these things. And then as far as the whole stability thing, yes, this is the first time with 3 people on it, even though it was myself, 180-pound adult, 110-pound juvenile, and a, I don't know, 80, 90-pound juvenile for my kids. Just don't make a low-speed sharp turn, because basically what we did was and it was me driving it, we just went, boop, and then, the wave runner corrected itself right away, but I just kind of went like this, and we just tipped over, fell off, and then it came back up and we got back on. So anyway, other than that, you saw the stability test, the thing's pretty stable. Semper Fi. Yep.